Feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight.
Hello Brisa family, hope you guys are all fine. I decided to do this video to show you guys my apartment for the week in Bude, Cornwall. So I really fell in love with this place. I think by now you guys know that when I travel I like to feel at home, away from home, like, you know, that comfort feeling that you feel when you're home. And my voice is not doing well, but anyway, that's what I usually look for. And look at this home. This is beautiful, isn't it? So I'm just going to take you guys around. Let's start from going outside, and then I'll come back in through the other door and I'll show you guys the house. And feel free to leave in the comments below what you guys think. Like it if you like this mobile holiday home. I feel like if I could have a house, I would totally build this. It's so crazy. If I could, I would totally build this. Like, it's so portable and small. When we talk about small houses, we're talking this, darling. We're talking this. So yeah, enjoy my video. Okay guys, look at this bag. It's so cute. I don't even have pets. I don't even have a single pet, but I feel like this is so cute. So I'm gonna take this gift that they gave and I'm gonna go give it to a friend who actually has a dog, and hopefully her dog will literally enjoy this. But they actually just put something for your pets as well, so it's beautiful, you know. Yeah, I'm totally blown by this. Oh wow. And that's for your dog as well, like to keep all the toys and everything. The wine glasses. I mean, it's a holiday coffee wine. You know what I'm talking about. And a few things to get your dishwasher running. Some notes. Yeah, let's see what else they have. It's so handy. I promise you, it's like a home away from home. It's so handy. They've tried so much to fill the kitchen with everything that you possibly need. You can literally spend a whole month in here, like, no problem. Wow, I really loved it. Thank you so much for watching. Please kindly like, comment, share and subscribe.